Most people think AI is becoming conscious. It's not. Some think AI understands language. It doesn't. Some think AI is just automation. That's also wrong. So what is AI really? Hello everyone, welcome back to our series. In this video, we are going to remove the hype, remove the fear, and build a clear mental model of what artificial intelligence actually is. By the end, you will be able to explain AI properly without sounding confused. Let's start simple. AI is the field of building systems that can perform tasks that normally requires human intelligence. That's the textbook definition. But that's still vague. So let's make it concrete. Human intelligence includes things like recognizing images, understanding languages, making decisions, learning from experience, solving problems. If a machine can perform one of these tasks, we call it AI. Not magic, not consciousness, just system performing intelligent tasks. Now, here's where people get confused. Isn't AI just automation? No. Automation follows fixed rules. Example, if temperature is more than 30 degrees, turn on AC. That's automation. No learning, no adaptation. AI is different. AI systems learn patterns from data. For example, instead of writing rules to detect spam emails, we give the system thousands of examples. It finds patterns, it learns, it improves. That's the key difference. Automation is rule-based. AI is pattern-based learning. Now, another important concept. There are two major categories of AI: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is what we have today. It performs one specific task extremely well. Examples: image recognition, language translation, chatbots, recommendation systems. But each system is trained for a specific job. It cannot suddenly drive a car, write a poetry, and perform surgery. That would require general AI. General AI would mean a system with human level intelligence across all tasks. We do not have that. Not even close. Everything you see today, including advanced language models, is still narrow AI. Very powerful, but narrow. Let's remove the illusion. When you use an AI chatbot, it doesn't understand like a human. It predicts. Specifically, it predicts the most probable next word based on pattern learned from massive amounts of data. That's it. When AI recognizes a cat in an image, it's not seeing. It detects pixel patterns that statistically match cat. AI systems are mathematical patterns detectors. That's the cleanest way to understand them. Not thinking, not feeling, not conscious. Pattern recognition at scale. Let's make this real. Imagine we train a simple model. Input house size, output house price. We give a few examples. The system learns a relationship between size and price. Now, if you give it a new house size, it predicts the price. It didn't understand real estate. It found a pattern in numbers. That's the foundation of AI. Scale that idea to billions of data points, and you get modern AI systems. So here's your final mental model. AI is a system that learn patterns from data to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. That's it. No magic, no sci-fi, no consciousness. Pattern learning at massive scale. If you understand this, you understand 80% of AI. In the next video, we will break down the difference between AI, ML and DL because most people mix them up. If you want to actually understand AI from the ground up, this series will build it step by step. See you in the next video.